Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis yesterday, and unfortunately, just the bearishness continues and a little bit of false hope. This morning, the price actually did make a very, very impressive move to the upside. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. If you have, then hopefully you remember me talking about that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, because quite literally, you just can't make this stuff up. Big bounce. And then the price got rejected right at that area of resistance that I talked about before. So moral of the story here is that purple line there is definitely going to be that main area of resistance watch going forward. And why I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that line there. Sure, that level certainly does still pertain, but from the grand scheme of things perspective, now that we have, let me squeeze down and give up even more, but you even look down here and you can see, the purple line presenting a problem, and then today presenting a problem. So I'm not saying that level can never, ever be broken. I'm just saying it's become very apparent right now that is certainly the key overarching area of resistance to watch going forward. And if this chart has any chance at all of, getting things turned around, then, it's all going to begin and end with whether or not the price can break up above the purple line there, the 50-period moving average. As far as areas of support are concerned, new level is just simply where the bleeding stopped today, and that's down there right around $1.75. But actually, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that because, support levels matter, I suppose, but what actually matters in the big picture is just simply when is this thing showing any sorts of power of potentially, starting to bounce and reverse back around, and that all begins and ends, like I said, with that purple line. So, it doesn't really matter where it could potentially bounce because, this thing is such a falling knife right now that you almost have to wait for confirmation, in my opinion at least, before you would ever want to put together a trade plan. And once again, that quote-unquote first bit of confirmation would be whether or not the price can finally get up above and stay above that purple line. So we'll see what happens with it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.